You asked, how to divide 442,000 by 120 using the long division method. 4 is too small. 44 is too small. Use 442. 442 divided by 120 equals 3. 3 times 120 equals 360. 442 minus 360 equals 82. Bring down 0, making 820. 820 divided by 120 equals 6. 6 times 120 equals 720. 820 minus 720 equals 100. Bring down 0, making 1000. 1000 divided by 120 equals 8. 8 times 120 equals 960. 1000 minus 960 equals 40. Bring down 0, making 400. 400 divided by 120 equals 3. 3 times 120 equals 360. 400 minus 360 equals 40. The remainder is 40. The final result is 3,683 remainder 40.